guys, and welcome to a new video sponsored by Raingg. Today on our balance is 2000 coins and we're gonna spend this money on site like always. We're gonna do some battles, some upgrades, some case openings, and we're gonna try to make as much profit and good skins we can with this starting balance. Guys, if you want to get some rewards, if you want to get some free money, free cases, deposit bonus, you can claim everything that on link down in description. Or yeah, like you can see from my left side, you can redeem promo code VDN, 3 letters guys, on site, and you can get 3 free cases and 5% deposit bonus on everything that you want to deposit on site. So guys, code VDN, type it VDN, 3 letters, go apply, add 7 days and go deposit, and you will get great rewards. You will get 3 free cases, 5% deposit bonus on everything that you deposit, and also you will get some rewards guys. You're getting daily cases, weekly cases, monthly cases, everything like you can see here. But first you need to redeem promo code VDN on site and enjoy playing with best code on site and best deposit bonus and rewards and free stuff on Raingg. Guys, that's pretty much it, and we're gonna start. What do you think to grind 5% case? Is this smart to do? Is this smart, or to do one battle? Huh? What do you think, guys? I'm picking always 2v2. I don't know why, but I like 2v2 cases. 2020 for 500. Will somebody join, or we're gonna start it? Let's see. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on. Come on. Come on, 2020. 20% for good, 20% for shit. Come on. They got case hardened.
Here we go.
We got $5. Where is that case hardened for VDN? Okay. God, they killing us. What is this? Hello. What is this? We're getting $5 skins. They're getting $200 skins. Come on. They got again case hardened. God, the battle will pay. The battle will pay how much? They double up our money. They double up money. You know what? Let's go 3v3. Let's go 10% case. Let's go. Framed. Let's go framed. Come on, please, let's win this. Come on, 10% case. Let's just win something good. Come on. Stop! Stop! No. Come on, please. Stop, 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 stop. And they got it. Look at this. Oh, what is this luck? Hello. What will he get? How much is that? 700 coins. Come on. Where is that luck for me? Come on. They got gold again. What is this? Hello. We can't make money on rain, guys. Oh my god, this knife is 1,000. 620. Oh my. We have same amount, 10%, come on. And this is gonna pay profit again. Stop. I thought they got double. Imagine double. Come on, give double for VDN. Guys, one more time, if you want to claim absolutely best bonus on site, redeem promo code VDN. Redeem promo code VDN here and activate 5% deposit bonus and get 3 free cases. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. We could add one more, Coldzera. Come on, Coldzera, pay me money, Coldzera. How much is chance for this? 7. Come on, Coldzera. Save my ass, Coldzera. Finally, come on, let's get something good. Please. Please, let's get something good. Poseidon and we got Masterpiece. How much? 500 points. Okay, this is to be break even. Come on, let's get some gold again. Come on, gold. Gold, hello. Oh my god, we didn't even... Okay. Okay. 700. 760. 2v2. 760. 650. How we can do this case? Please, pay profit, give me 3k and that's it. Give me 3000 coins and that's it. Come on. Stop! Okay. We got debated for first time. Addicted is not paying. Addicted is not paying. Come on. Oh my god, we got gold, boys. We got gold. VDN got gold. Come on. Come on. Ah! Hello! Hello, we want Dragon Lore. We want Dragon Lore on Rain. Hello. Guys, we want Dragon Lore on Rain. Hello, don't give them Dragon Lore. Hello. Serpent, okay, that's good. That's boost. That's boost. Big balls. We want Dragon Lore 10k, guys. Oh my god. Woo. Guys, this is stressful. What was that? What was that? Talon Knife Doppler Ruby for VDN. Guys, that's it. Finally, we make some money on Rain GG, guys. That's it, okay? I'm a bit shaking. Guys, redeem promo code VDN, put 7 days, go deposit and try to do this. Get absolutely best bonus only on code VDN on Rain, guys, and enjoy playing with more money when you claim code VDN on site. Oh my god, try to win Dragon Lore. We want Dragon Lore, guys. That's it. Love you all. We're gonna see you in the next video. Ciao.